Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, the shocking truth. Imagine having a personal content creation assistant that can write articles, create videos, and even design graphics with the same level of quality and consistency as a human. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is the real deal, and in this episode, we'll explore its capabilities, benefits, and potential impact on the content creation industry. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is an AI-powered tool that leverages the power of machine learning to understand your tone, style, and audience preferences. It can create content 10x faster and with 90% accuracy, making it an ideal solution for businesses, marketers, and content creators who need to produce high-quality content quickly. But what does this mean for your business? Will Google Gemini 2.0 Pro replace human content creators? Is it a game changer or a game ender? In this episode, we'll dive into the pros and cons of using Google Gemini 2.0 Pro and explore its potential impact on the content creation industry.
The deep dive. So, how does Google Gemini 2.0 Pro work? What are its key features and benefits? Let's take a closer look. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro uses a combination of natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to understand your content needs. It can analyze your tone, style, and audience preferences and generate content that resonates with your target audience. Some of its key features include content generation. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro can create articles, videos, and graphics with the same level of quality and consistency as a human. Tone and style analysis. The tool can analyze your tone and style and generate content that reflects your brand's voice and personality. Audience analysis. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro can analyze your audience demographics, interests, and preferences and generate content that resonates with them. Integration with other tools. The tool can integrate with other Google tools, such as Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Analytics, making it easy to manage and distribute your content.
The controversy. But what about the controversy surrounding Google Gemini 2.0 Pro? Will it replace human content creators? Is it a game changer or a game ender? Some experts argue that Google Gemini 2.0 Pro will replace human content creators, making them obsolete. Others argue that it will augment human creativity, freeing up time for more strategic and high-level thinking. In this episode, we'll explore the pros and cons of using Google Gemini 2.0 Pro and examine the potential impact on the content creation industry.
The future impact. So, what does the future hold for Google Gemini 2.0 Pro? Will it revolutionize the content creation industry, or will it become just another tool in the toolbox? Google Gemini 2.0 Pro has the potential to revolutionize the content creation industry in several ways. Can increase productivity. By automating content creation, businesses and marketers can save time and increase productivity. Improve quality. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro can generate high-quality content that resonates with target audiences. Enhance creativity. The tool can augment human creativity, freeing up time for more strategic and high-level thinking. However, there are also potential risks and challenges associated with Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, including job displacement. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro could displace human content creators, making them obsolete. Dependence on technology. Businesses and marketers may become too reliant on the tool, losing touch with their audience and neglecting the human touch.
The call to action. So, what's the takeaway from this episode? Should you use Google Gemini 2.0 Pro? The answer is yes, but with caution. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the content creation industry. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and in conjunction with human creativity. If you're a business or marketer looking to increase productivity and improve quality, Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is definitely worth considering. But if you're a human content creator, don't worry. This tool is meant to augment your abilities, not replace them. So what are you waiting for? Try Google Gemini 2.0 Pro today and experience the power of AI-powered content creation for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI and technology. We'll be back with another exciting episode soon.